Okay, so this video is just going to go over a little bit about plots in general. So we're back in MATLAB here, and this is a pretty basic program. So you can see x is just a linspace between 0 and 10 with 200 points. Y1 is x squared, y2 is x cubed, and then you'll plot each of them. You'll make y1 blue, make y2 red. You can add a title, add an X label, add a Y label, all that jazz. And then you can also kind of add some text to it, to the graph. So this first one, display, is what puts things into the command window. And then this text function actually adds a bit of text onto the graph. So this is your X value where it is, Y value where it is, and this is actually the text that's going to go in. And then I can say I want it to be the color blue. And then this other text at this location will be x cubed, and then you'll have this right arrow thing. It'll actually make a right arrow, and then say color red. So this is what it looks like. The display puts in here graph of x squared and x cubed. That's what that does. And then you can see here's our graph. We have title, x labels, y labels, all that stuff, and then you can see x cubed is in red, x squared is in blue, and you can see this little text that was overlaid with the right arrow and everything at the XY locations that we put. Cool. So then in Python, how would you do that? So again, we're going to have to import some stuff. So this matplotlib is going to be the most important thing. It'll let you plot stuff like MATLAB, and then the NumPy will let you do the linspace and stuff. So this x is going to be a linspace again, 0 to 10 with 200 points. Y1, x, star, star, remember star, star is to the power of, so y1 is x squared, y2 is x cubed, and then we'll do plt dot plot, and then x, y1, and that one will be blue, y2 will be red, plt dot title, it's the same functions, just with plt. So plt title, x label, y label, and then adding a bit of text to it. You can do the same in Python. So where before in MATLAB we had display or disp, in Python we're just going to have print, and then this is what's going to print down to the command window. And then adding stuff to the actual graph, you'll have plt dot text. So same function, text, just add the plt. X values, Y values, the actual text, and then say color equals blue, or this other text, the location, the text, and then there's no right arrow function, but you can just make a little right arrow, and then color equals red. So what that's going to look like is this, which is pretty much exactly the same as what you're going to get in MATLAB. Sometimes this text, the location can be kind of weird. You just have to fiddle around with these numbers until you get it in the place that you want it to. And that's basically it. So it's not super complicated making plots. You can see there's a difference in the colors here. You actually didn't have to say color equals. You could have just put blue like we did up here. You could have done that down here, or red. You could have done that. You don't actually need to say color equals. Whereas in MATLAB, you do have to specify that you're going to change the color and then tell it what it's going to be. Python, you don't need to do that. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, that's the basic difference, and that should be good enough to kind of get going. And in the next video, I'm going to show you kind of a little bit of everything put together. So I'll see you in that video.